guys, so I'm about to do the super dope look that I saw that Miss Choice Brown did for her little photo shoot or whatever. And I already did my brows off camera because that's not what I want the focus to be. I want the focus to be on the eyeshadow look. So I did my brows off camera, but I'm going to get right into this video. This is not going to be a talking video. It's going to be a voiceover video and a watching and seeing video. So yeah, like, share, and subscribe to post notifications and notified every single time I post another amazing video. Don't forget to watch my previous videos with your friends, your family, catch a dog in the drill. Share my videos with everybody loves Circle DVEJU VU could be popping. Let's get right into this really dope look. I'm rushing because I have Zoom University in under an hour, so I need to wrap it up. Let's get right into it. Alright, so you guys already know what we're about to do with Miss LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Fawn. We're about to put it under our eyes or on our eyelids. Well, we're going to put it under our eyes, so we're going to put it right now. We're going to put it on our eyelids just to conceal that part so that the shadow will be able to come on smoothly. I burnt myself right there with the wine curlers when I was putting on my wig the other day. Y'all see I'm very clumsy and I got this on me, so ignore that for the rest of the video. I'm using the Ben 9 banana powder to set this look on my eyes. Well, I didn't even do the look yet, but just to set, you know, the concealer on my eyes so that when I get ready to do the shadow, it'll be bomb. And I'm using the Sylvia Gani palette and the color Ginger. No, this is October. Of course, I'm so sorry. The last video I said I messed up the names and I'm doing it again. But I'm using Ginger on my eyes. And then I'm going into Sisterhood and Totally Fetch on the Too Faced Bon Bon palette. And I'm just going to make that my pink color because I saw that she had a little bit of pink under the purple and then under the white. So I decided to, you know, add my own accent pink color. It's not really as light as she had it, but that's okay. Y'all get the concept. And this is Sprinkles and cotton candy. And I'm just putting it under my brow bone. I literally put too much, but it's just so I can have, you know, that little sparkly silvery effect under my brows that she had. Next, I'm going to cut crease with the LA Girl Pro Concealer. And this cut crease is going to be super cute. I honestly could have left it like that and did like a dope look or something, but maybe next time. But I'm just going to cut crease my my eyes twice so I can get the purple effect with Independent, and then so I could also get, you know, the white effect later on in the video, but keep watching. Guys, I just want to pop in real quick and say that I just used this color from the Madison Miller. It's a Madison Miller palette I got from someone. I just used that middle color to blend it out a little bit and make it a little bit lighter. I know we're looking crazy, but we're about to really get into the look for real because we're about to cut crease part. So stay tuned and keep watching. Like, share, and subscribe. Turn on post notifications. Do all that. Okay, back to the look. I also would like to point out how this is very much my morning voice. And I got up at 6:45 this morning so I can finish editing or whatever. It's currently 8:18 and my voice is starting to slightly adjust, but in the beginning it's very much monotone, very much deep, very much dark because I don't usually wake up at 6:45, but I think I'm going to start to make an adjustment and do so. But that's all I wanted to point out. This is also the Sleek palette. It was not pigmented right there, so I went into my Holy Grail, my original chocolate bonbon. I definitely should have used a different brush to do this because the look started to get a little messy, and this is actually why I wanted to switch up the look and do something different, because I literally did not like how this looked outside of camera. Like on film, it does not look bad, but baby, in person, it was very much a tragedy, very much not cute, very much a hot mess. So that's why I decided to do something else. In here, I decided to use the LA Girl Pro Concealer to try to fix up, you know, the little cut crease part and make it straighter, but it was just a flop. Keep watching, y'all gonna see that though.
Honestly, I'm not even gonna cap. Like, it looks pretty decent, but it just doesn't look how I expect it to look. But it looks really, really good on camera. And I probably could have left it, but I just wasn't messing with it, for lack of better words. So, I decided to change it, and it is what it is. It is what it's gonna be, because it's already done and posted. So, enjoy the remainder of the look.
Okay, y'all, so I was gonna do the look that Trace did on the video. I mean, on the thing. I'm gonna put it right here somewhere. I don't like how the eyeshadow is looking. So, I'm about to change it. I never did a, what's that look? What is that look called? It's a dark look. It's like I don't know what it's called, but I'm about to just do it and then just do it. So, yeah.
On this part, I was literally just experimenting and trying to see what I could do different. Like different looks that will probably look similar to what I was trying to do, but it wasn't working. I was just trying to think outside the box. But I really just ended up putting on, you know, the black eyeshadow so I can get the smoky look that I wanted, and just making it look better than what I thought it looked outside of camera. For blending out my concealer, I just wanted to use a little bit of my black Opal True Color complexion foundation in the shade Hazelnut. I think it's 126. I just used a little bit just so I could have it as like a base before I contour. I'm so sorry, my camera cut off and I didn't know. All I did was blend out my concealer with a damp beauty blender, and then I used my black Radiance palette. You guys already know the black Radiance palette. I use medium to dark to contour my face and my nose, and then I'm just putting banana powder under my contour just to make it a little more defined. I'm using this palette and I'm using the All Nighter shade just to darken up my smoky eye and make it look better.
Okay guys, so this is the final look. I never did this type of look before. I think it's really, really cute. I thought the look was going to come out looking ugly and I was not going to do this video. I was supposed to do a whole different look, but I ended up using this one because it's really, really cute, really, really simple. And I never did this like type of thing before. So I think it's really, really bomb. Stay tuned, like, share, and subscribe, turn on post notifications so I'm notified every single time I'm posting an amazing video. Watching my previous videos with your friends, your family, catch your dog. You already know the drill. Share them where everybody loves. Circle DVEJU VU be popping. Leave me a comment in the comment section. Tell me what y'all think. Yeah, this is really, really cute. I'm so glad I stuck with the video. This is day 3 of Vlogmas, and like I said, I'm not doing a regular Vlogmas. I'm just gonna upload every single day on YouTube in the month of December. So yeah, it's popping, it's lit, period. Hope y'all so much, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye bye.